Today we will discuss about electrochemical grinding process. It is the combination of ECM and grinding process, electrochemical machining and grinding process. It removes material from electrically conducting workpiece with the help of abrasive wheel bonded with insulating grit in conductive bond material. Firstly, we will discuss about parts of the electrochemical grinding. We have a fixture on which our workpiece will be placed. Workpiece is connected to the positive charge from the power supply. There is a electrolyte pump and nozzle connected with the help of pipe and filter, pressure gauge and flow meter are also attached to the pipe for maintaining the flow of the electrolyte. There is a container which will collect the electrolyte coming from the workpiece. There is a abrasive wheel which is used for removing material from the workpiece. These are the sleeve and attached to the negative charge of the power supply. This insulating grit can be of diamond dust or silicon carbide or boron nitride according to the use. This is sleeve for providing negative charge to the shaft of the abrasive wheel. Now we see the process of electrochemical grinding. DC power source will supply the power to the tool and the workpiece. Here pump will start rotating and it will suck the electrolyte from the electrolyte container. And this electrolyte will reach to the nozzle and this nozzle will spray this electrolyte in between the abrasive wheel and workpiece. And oxide layers were removed by the insulating grit of the abrasive wheel. So this is the working of the electrochemical grinding process. Thank you for seeing this video. For more updated videos, you can subscribe me on my channel, Learn and Grow. Thank you. Today we will discuss about the abrasive jet machining, in which we will use abrasives for metal removal process. Firstly, we will discuss about the parts of the abrasive jet machining. We have a gas cylinder in which we can use dry air, nitrogen or carbon dioxide, anyone be used in this cylinder for the abrasive jet machining or for metal removal purpose. Then we have a filter which will filter the air or gas. Then we have a pressure gauge, a mixing chamber where gas, air or powder of the abrasive will be mixed, which is connected to the vibrator. Vibrator will efficiently mix all the powder foam and gas with together, and a control valve which will control the supply of the gas with abrasive. Then we have a nozzle for increasing the kinetic energy of the mixing of powder and air or gas. These all are connected with the help of pipes. Then we have a workpiece and a fixture on which workpiece is fixed. Then what will happen? This is a powder supply duct from where powder will be supplied to the mixing chamber. Now what will happen? Gas will come through this cylinder and reach in the mixing chamber. From there, powder of the abrasive will be supplied from this duct and it will reach in the mixing chamber. And in the mixing chamber, vibrator will start vibrating and it will mix air and powder of abrasive with efficient manner. Then this mixing of the powder and air or gas will reach to the nozzle, and where nozzle will throw this mixing of powder and gas on the workpiece and will remove the metal from the workpiece. From this process, abrasive and mixing air or gas will work together for removal of metal from the workpiece. So this is the working of abrasive jet machining. Thank you for seeing this video. For more videos, you can subscribe me on my channel Learn and Grow. Thank you. Today we will discuss about water jet machining, how water jet machining works, and what are the parts of the water jet machining. Firstly, we will discuss about the parts of the water jet machining. We have a reservoir which is a source of water, and then pump which is used for supply water and connected to the reservoir. Then we have intensifier for increasing pressure of water. Then accumulator for temporary storage of water, and control valve for controlling flow of water. Then we have a flow regulator for regulating flow of the water, and then at the end we have a nozzle for increasing kinetic energy. Then last one we have workpiece on which this experiment will be done, and these all are connected with the help of pipes. Now what will happen? See the working of water jet machining. Pump will start rotating and it will push the water to the nozzle, and nozzle will strike the water on the workpiece. From all the processes, water will go and at last it will strike on the workpiece with a high kinetic energy, and which will produce on a very high pressure force on the workpiece, and removal of metal takes place from the workpiece. This is water jet machining. Thank you for seeing this video. You can subscribe me on my channel Learn and Grow for more videos. Thank you. Today we will discuss about the laser beam machining. What is laser beam machining? Electric energy will be converted into light energy, and then this energy, light energy, will convert into heat energy. This is the basic principle of laser beam machining. Now discuss about the parts of the laser beam machining. We have a workpiece on which all the experiment will be performed, and which is connected to the fixture for fixing the workpiece, and a chamber which have a lens on the downward side for focusing the beam, and a partially reflected surface and total reflected surface on this crystal. This is called ruby crystal dipped with the chromium is a best combination for laser beam machining. These are the flash lamp which will excite the electrons in this ruby crystal or photons in this ruby crystals. There is a power supply source which is connected to the flash lamp for giving supply to the flash lamps. This is the ruby crystal. Now see the working of the laser beam machining. What will happen? Power supply source give power to the flash lamp, and flash lamp will flashing and excite the electron in this ruby crystal. When flashing is off, these electrons reach to the ground state and liberate light energy, and these photon or light energy will be reflected again and again by the totally reflected surface and passed from the partially reflected surface. These photons will create a beam of the laser which will going through this lens and focus on the workpiece, and this striking beam will liberate the metal or liberate the metal particles from the workpiece. So this is the working of laser beam machining, in which light is used for liberation of or removal of metal from the workpiece. Thank you for seeing this video. You can subscribe me on my channel Learn and Grow for more updated videos. Thank you.